and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you leave. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It is a glitter halo look, and I used the new Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Sea Siren. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with a bare face, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX Hydro Touch Oil Primer, placing this all over my face, and then I'm just going to rub it into the skin. And then once I am done rubbing that into my skin, I'm going to go in with my NYX Pore Filler, placing this just on my spots where I have the most visible pores. And then next, I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and placing this all over my face, I am just going to buff it in with my Beauty Blender. Once I am done blending my foundation, I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to place this on my eyelid as well as underneath my eye, and just buff that out with my Beauty Blender as well. Once I am done buffing away the concealer, I am just going to go in with my Airspun Loose Face Powder, carving a straight line so the eyeshadows don't go past that, as well as setting my concealer underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 39A palette, and using the color Bear, I'm going to put that into my crease.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Next, I'm going to go in with the color Passion and Forever. Using both of these colors, I'm going to just put that lower into my crease and just on the outer portion of my eye as well as the inner portion, leaving the center blank. Next, I'm just going to go in with a blank blending brush and just blending out the edges, making sure there aren't any harsh lines. Going in with the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to pick up the color Tempera and place this underneath my eyebrow for my highlight. Since I will be using glitter, I don't want to put a glittery highlight underneath my eyebrows. And then once again, I'm going to go in with that blank blending brush and make sure everything is well blended. Once again, I'm going to go in with the colors Passion and Forever and just put another layer just to intensify the colors. And then once again, blending everything out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Siren, and I'm just going to place this in the center of my eye. Going in with the Morphe MB26 brush, I am just going to blend the edges out.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
And then going in with the brush that I had used to place Passion and Forever, I am just going to blend the edges between the glitter eyeshadow as well as the other eyeshadows. Next, I am just going to wipe off all of my loose face powder. To smoke out my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with the color Passion first and place this all along my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to pick up the color Forever and just placing this on the outer portion of my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go in with my Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Pencil Black Eyeliner, and I'm going to place this on my top waterline as well as my bottom. And next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and just draw my winged eyeliner. And now for my mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise and apply one coat to my top lashes as well as to my bottom. For lashes today, I'm going to be using my Lash Love lashes in the style Mistress. I will leave their website linked down in my description box below in case if you guys want to purchase some lashes or glitters from them. You can also use the code AprilBeauty to save some money. I do not earn any commission off of this. This is just so you guys can save some money. Next, I will be going in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter. Picking up this color, I am just going to contour my cheek. I am also going to place this underneath my neck by my jawline just to create some definition. Then going in with this white shade, I am just going to brighten up underneath my eye. Going in with this highlighter from the palette, I am just going to apply that to my cheekbones. I will also be going in with this e.l.f. highlighter in the color Starlight Glow, placing that right above just to give it a little bit more extra glow. I will also be placing that e.l.f. highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to go in and curl my lashes just to make my falsies blend in with my lashes better. And then spraying my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray, I am just going to set everything. And now for lips, I will be using my Vice Urban Decay liquid lipstick in the color Back Talk. That is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video.